I started hearing strange sounds at night, soft scratching above my ceiling. I thought it was rats or maybe pipes, until the noise turned into dragging. One night around 2:40 a.m., I was lying in bed when I heard a metallic scrape and a voice whisper, "You're awake." It came from the vent above my bed. I stared into it, heart hammering. Something inside shifted, then went still. I didn't sleep that night. The next day, I convinced maintenance to check the attic space above me. They found trash, torn clothes, wrappers, and a Polaroid photo. It was me, asleep. My mouth was open, my head tilted to the side, taken from directly above my bed. Someone had been living up there, watching me through the vent.